Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer bank to broker deposits using Plaid step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your brokerage account. Navigate to the section for deposits or funding. Locate the option that allows you to link a bank account. Select the option to use Plaid for bank verification. You will be directed to a new window showcasing various banking institutions. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your bank. Click on your bank's name to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. Input your username and password for your bank account. Once entered, click on the Login button to continue. Plaid will now verify your credentials with your bank. If verification is successful, you will see a list of your bank accounts. Select the specific account you want to link for deposits. Confirm your selection by clicking on the Continue button. Next, you'll need to specify the amount you wish to deposit. Enter the desired amount in the provided field. Review all the details to ensure the accuracy of your transaction. If everything looks correct, confirm the deposit request. You should receive a confirmation message regarding your deposit. Check your brokerage account to see if the funds are available. If you encounter any issues, contact your brokerage's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.